How are you doing, everyone? We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you back to the Coins Alert, your home for all of your cryptocurrency needs. I will be your host. I really hope that everyone is having a wonderful day. I consider Taco Tuesday to be one of my favorite days of the week, second only to Payday Friday. I really hope that you are able to have some delicious tacos today. If that is the case, I am envious. Certainly I am not. Over the past several days, I've been eating a lot of pizza. In order to get the blood flowing, I need to lose a few pounds and get back to my former routine of going for jogs of 2.5 miles after work and going to the gym for short periods of time during the day. Is it clear to you what I'm saying? There is a lot going on in the cryptocurrency world in this episode. Is it possible that Bitcoin may have one more downward push before it is transported to the moon? Or is it more likely that Bitcoin will continue to fall until we receive another rotation? Every coin will advance in value. We are going to investigate Ethereum and whales that are selling off a significant amount of ETH. Next, we are going to take a look at the price market volatility of XRP, and then we are going to move on to the segment that will take place toward the end of this video. So, BRICS, what exactly is going on in that area? A great deal of recent advancements within the realm of BRICS, and a significant portion of it is going in the direction of the cryptocurrency side of things. Well, without further ado, everyone have a seat and relax. Come. Let's get into a Bitcoin. In the previous 24 hours, the value of $62,519 has decreased by 2.26%, and the price of Ethereum has reached 2,634. It has experienced a decline of 4.11%, leading the door for USDT and USDC to both reach its respective pegs, while XRP is currently trading at 58 cents. It has decreased by 1.52%. On the other hand, when we take a look at all of these coins, the top 10 XRP coins are in light of the fact that Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Solar all flash in red along with Doge. I suppose it's safe to say that XRP is the second highest gainer in the past 90 days while striving to get in there. You are aware that Justin Sun very much grabbed what Solana was doing for their meme coin shit and established a platform. This is the reason why the TRX pump occurred. As a result of him doing the same thing on TRX, you are now receiving all of these TRX meme coins that are appearing over the internet. I have no doubt that this will be the next big thing. Solana's house was home to both cats and dogs. It's possible that we'll have tigers and elephants for TRX. I just don't know what to say. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is $2.203 trillion. The question that many are asking now is, where are we going to go from here? There is a possibility that Bitcoin will draw a leg down until it reaches the middle of the 50s. And once that occurs, we might see some of these alternative options begin to climb, such as Solana reaching a price of up to $200. And after that does take place, we can observe the opposite of what we expected. As a result of the alt's decline, money is leaving the market and entering the Bitcoin market. Regarding this particular matter, we are going to be paying close attention to it, completely. Someone or something that will be receiving our attention. Just so you know, if you are a cryptocurrency holder and you believe you have a bet, you can end up becoming one of these unfortunate folks right here. The storm caused them to become stranded in the air at Six Flags, Mexico, leaving them vulnerable to the intense wind and rain that was blowing. I have no idea what you are like. If I were trapped, I would be completely and utterly terrified. From the looks of it, this is that swing machine. If I'm not mistaken, the swing machine is the one in question. Ladies and gentlemen, if that were me, I would not be happy. In other words, that's merely. I have no idea what I would do in that situation. It's completely insane. What's up? There are 5 of these left at $10 each. If you are interested in becoming a police officer, now is the time to get one, because once it is gone forever. 5, that's it. 5 free shipping, and there are 5 more to go. Ensure that you go to the store. Today is the day that I believe the sellout will take place. In India, Telegram is being investigated, but unfortunately, it is not going to do so. Take a look at the situation with Telegram. It's just insane. There is no way that I am going to read you this news piece. The originator of Telegram has the most crazy component, which is the rumbling, and I believe that. Everyone is aware of what is going on with Telegram. It was yesterday when the CEO of Rumble, the company that created Rumble, came out and he flew as well. He is acting as if he is going to fight this thing to the death. I will fight for freedom, and I will fight because I believe that everyone should be able to speak their own mind. He ran away. He is currently in motion, and he is not going to make an attempt to get arrested either. I mean, what exactly is going on in the world? It seems to me that they are attempting to censor these platforms with BlackRock. They increased the Strategic Global Bond Fund by 4,000 shares of the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund at the same time that you are sitting there and reading Twitter. You are seeing all of these tweets declaring that the Bitcoin bull has run over, that Bitcoin has reached 3,000, and that BlackRock is purchasing Bitcoin. Every single one of the big boys is making purchases. What, you truly believe that the bull run in Bitcoin is over? Are you seriously under the impression that the institutions bought the top from a retail establishment? Is that something you truly believe? Simply put, if you are thinking that, you should get out of it right now and get moving. There are institutions present. Thus, it is evident that we are going to fall. On the other hand, if you believe that the institutions are going to outsmart retail like they always do, and that they are entering the market at the exact right moment before we see these marketplaces disappear, then you are wrong. Parabolic. Then I believe that you should take a seat, you should relax, and you should do absolutely nothing, because at the end of the next 6 months, you won't even be able to recognize these markets. To quote in terms of cryptocurrency holdings, BlackRock has a pissed grayscale of $22.14 billion. During the month of June, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF holdings experienced a staggering 33% increase, hitting a total of 16,000 shares. Nothing short of. Think of a whale. Obtains $24 million. What does the future hold for Eve? Over 8,000 Ether, which is approximately $24 million, was dropped by an ethereal whale. I take a look at it and hope that I could accomplish it. If I had 8,000 ETH, I would consider it to be 4,000. Well, even if I had 4,000 ETH worth 12 million, I'm not going to be greedy about it. I'm going to get rid of it. After putting in my 2 weeks of work, I'm going to give up. I am going to start streaming and I am going to enjoy my life. In addition to taking a lot of naps, I'm going to do whatever it is that I want to do. There you have it. It was sold, so put it on Binance. However, he did not care that he had lost. In fact, he had lost $4 million, which is insane. The likelihood is that he simply threw everything away in one go. He claims that prior to the ETH whale, the asset was purchased for a total of $27.96 million between the 27th of July and the 3rd of August, before the previous market fall. The factors of the market, there you have it, right? It is dumping by ETH whale. There is a consistent pattern that repeats itself. Persons are entering, people enter the market to purchase, and the market goes up, people sell, and the market goes down. To tell you the truth, cryptocurrency is a really simple thing. Buy red and sell green. If you adhere to that straightforward approach, that is the only thing you need to keep in mind. It's going to be all in the end for you. The end of it, it is not necessary for us to make this a confusing thing, and futures, as well as XRP and market volatility. Currently, as of the 27th of August, the performance of XRP on the market is a reflection of considerable price swings and overreaction patterns, both of which are symptomatic of a more comprehensive system dynamics to cryptocurrency investments. Since the price has dropped to battle a bit, struggling to get back to the resistance of 66 cents, trades at about 59 cents. We're a little bit lower right now. This is because the price has sunk to struggle a bit. At this point, we had been discussing 65 and 66 cents for a number of months. You are aware of the numbers, and you are aware of the keys that we are looking for. As for XRP, it has been reported that its lows have been as low as 58 cents, while its highs have been as close to 599. Now, what comes next? When it comes to this thing, simple local support's approximately 55 cents. Then we have to achieve our score higher than 66. We are currently in a chop zone, as I have been saying to you all. All of this place is a chop zone. The number between 55 and 66 is being considered. We do in fact make some green. There is a trace of eagerness that we can see.